Very good morning, dear students. Students, today we will start our chapter number 21 of grammar, that is present continuous tense. In the previous 2 or 3 lectures, we have learned about simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Today we will learn about present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? Students, we use the present continuous to tell what is happening now. अब क्या हो रहा है? लाइक इस टाइम आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप लेक्चर अटेंड कर रहे हो? हिंदी में अगर आप सोचोगे माइंड में कोई सेंटेंस तो रहे हो लास्ट में आएगा. रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. ओके, लाइक आई एम टीचिंग नाउ. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ इस टाइम? आई एम टीचिंग नाउ. ओके, जो काम अब हो रहा है, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ, दैट इज कॉल्ड present continuous tense. Okay, and the rules for present continuous tense are, students, we use 3 helping verbs: is, am, and are. In the present continuous tense, we use 3 helping verbs: is, am, are. Is with singular subject. If the subject is singular, then we use helping verb is. Okay, like he, she, it, name of any person, any place. मीन्स जब हम किसी एक चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे होंगे, then we use is helping verb. If we talk about plural, if we talk about more than one person or one thing, one place, then we use are as a helping verb. And I के साथ आप हमेशा am यूज करते हो in the present continuous tense. Okay, am यूज होगा I के साथ. He is with singular person, are with plural. Again I am repeating. Is with singular person, singular place, means when the subject is singular. Are when the subject is plural. And am यूज करेंगे I के साथ. Okay, and one more thing, we have to add ing with first form of verb. We have to use ing. We have to add ing with first form of verb. Like examples are given. Harshit is sitting in a spaceship. Harshit is a singular person. We are talking about a single person. This is the name of a single person, Harshit. Harshit is, that's why we are using here is, sitting in a spaceship. Okay, we are adding here ing with first form of verb. And look at the spelling carefully. T double हो गया बेटा, SITTING. Harshit is sitting in a spaceship. And if we want to convert it into negative, like we have learned to convert the simple present sentences of simple present tense into negative, in the same way we can convert the sentences of simple sentences of present continuous into negative. It is very easy. Harshit is sitting in a spaceship. Already helping verb is given. Is helping verb is given in this sentence. So you have to add not after helping verb. Harshit is not sitting. Before main verb. Sitting is a main verb, action word, and is a helping verb. You have to add not between these two. Harshit is not sitting in a spaceship. If we want to convert it into negative, we have to add not between the main verb and helping verb. Okay, in the same way, if you want to convert this sentence into interrogative, then आपको क्या करना होगा? Helping verb should come first. Is Harshit sitting in a spaceship? Helping verb आप आगे ले आओगे and बाकी sentence same रहेगा and there should be question mark at the end. Again I am repeating. Simple sentence, Harshit is sitting in a spaceship. Negative, Harshit is not sitting in a spaceship. And interrogative, is Harshit sitting in a spaceship? Helping verb should come first in the interrogative sentence. In that there should be a question mark at the end. Okay. Now, second sentence, the spaceship. Again, we are talking about a single thing. Subject is singular. Again, we are using helping verb is. And we are adding ing with move. M-O-V-E. बेटा अगर आपके स्पेलिंग में लास्ट में ई है तो जब आप ing ऐड करते हो तो ई रिमूव हो जाता है वहां से. ओके, द स्पेसशिप इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द मून. ओके, अगर आप इसी को इफ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू नेगेटिव, then the spaceship is not moving towards the moon. Okay, if you want to convert it in interrogative means question form, then is the spaceship, Nikita, what are you doing? Is the spaceship moving towards the moon? Okay, is should come first. Okay, and there should be a question mark at the end. Then third one, the stars are twinkling in the sky. Stars. Now we are talking about plural subject. Stars. So we are using here helping verb are. And again, twinkle. Twinkle की spelling में भी बेटा लास्ट में ई आता है, लेकिन हमें ing ऐड करना है तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ई रिमूव कर रहे हैं वहां से. ओके, द स्टार्स आर ट्विंकलिंग इन द स्काई. ओके, few examples I am giving you. Listen very carefully. Like, I am eating food. I am eating food. Simple sentence. I के साथ am use किया है. If you want to convert it into negative, I am not eating food. Always we have to add not between helping verb and the main action word. Okay, I am not eating food. Then if you want to convert it into question sentence, जब आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है तो आप क्या करोगे, हेल्पिंग वर्ब को पहले ले आओगे. Am I eating food? And there should be a question mark at the end. Okay, next, she is singing. वह गाना गा रही है. She is singular, so we are using here is and singing. She is singing. If we want to convert it into negative, then she is not singing. She is not singing. वह गाना नहीं गा रही है. And if you want to convert it into interrogative, then is she singing? क्या वह गाना गा रही है? Okay. More examples. Listen carefully. My mother is cooking food. My mother is cooking food. मेरी मदर खाना बना रही हैं. My mother is not cooking food. A negative sentence. And if you want to convert it into interrogative, then is my mother cooking food? क्या मेरी मदर खाना बना रही हैं? And there should be a question mark at the end. Now one example of plural subject. Children are playing in the park. Children. Now we are talking about plural subject. Children. So we have to use are helping verb with plural noun. Children are playing in the park. Simple sentence. And if we want to convert it into negative, then children are not playing in the park. Negative बनाने के लिए सिर्फ आपको not add करना है. Okay. And what about interrogative? Are children playing in the park? And at the last, there should be question mark. Next example, the painter is painting the wall. The painter is painting the wall. Painter singular hai. That's why I am using here is. And I am adding ing with the first form of verb, paint. The painter is painting the wall. And the negative, the painter is not painting the wall. And interrogative, is the painter painting the wall? Is the painter painting the wall? And at the end, question mark. Next, again example of plural subject. In this sentence, subject is plural. The policemen, M-E-N. The policemen are chasing the thief. Chase karna, पीछा करना. Policemen. Now I am talking about plural subject. That's why I am using here helping verb are. The policemen are chasing. बेटा chase की spelling भी last में e आता है, C-H-A-S-E. But जब हम उसे chasing ing add करेंगे तो e remove कर देंगे. The policemen are chasing the thief. Simple sentence of present continuous tense. Then negative. The policemen are not chasing the thief. Okay. And interrogative. Are the policemen chasing the thief? जब आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब को स्टार्टिंग में ले आओगे तो बाकी रिमेनिंग जो सेंटेंस है वो सेम रहेगा, सिर्फ हेल्पिंग वर्ब फर्स्ट सबसे पहले आ जाएगा. ओके, यस. नाउ वन एग्जांपल ऑफ यू. वी ऑलवेज काउंट यू एज अ प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. यू आर डूइंग हार्ड वर्क. यू को आप हमेशा प्लूरल की तरह लेते हो, जबकि हम यूज सिंगुलर के लिए भी यूज करते हैं, बट यू के साथ जो हम रूल्स अप्लाई करते हैं वो प्लूरल वाले करते हैं. यू आर डूइंग हार्ड वर्क. यू के साथ में आर लगा रही हूं. यू आर डूइंग हार्ड वर्क. देन नेगेटिव, यू आर नॉट डूइंग हार्ड वर्क. देन इंटेरोगेटिव, आर यू डूइंग हार्ड वर्क? क्या तुम हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हो? You are doing hard work, simple sentence. You are not doing hard work, negative. And are you doing hard work, interrogative. Okay. Yes. My father is going to his office. My father is going to his office. My father. Father is singular. That's why I am using is as a helping verb. And going, I am adding ing with first form of verb. My father is going to his office. And negative, my father is not going to his office. And interrogative, is my father going to his office? There should be a question mark at the end. Next example, he is leading his team. He is singular person. He is leading his team. He is singular. That's why we are using here is as a helping verb. This is simple sentence. And if we want to convert it into negative, then we have to add not between main verb and the helping verb. He is not leading his team. And interrogative, is he leading his team? Okay. Next, girls are sitting in a park. Girls. Girls are sitting in a park. Now, subject is plural. Girls. तो आप इसके साथ क्या लगा रहे हो? Are. This is simple sentence. Girls are sitting in a sentence. Now, negative. Girls are not sitting in a park. And interrogative, are girls sitting in a park? Yes, dear students, I think these examples are enough. आप लोगों को समझ